¿Cómo se dice camión en inglés? Camión se dice truck y se escribe con la letra T. Repite conmigo. Camión es truck con la letra T.
Well, gather around, kids, let's learn some fun. Our journey through letters has just begun. Today we've got a favorite sound with big old trucks rolling all around. T is for truck, honk honk, away we go. T is for truck, driving down the road. T is for truck, let's give a little cheer. T is for truck, the coolest ride is here. From town to town they haul and tow with shiny chrome and wheels that glow. Up the hills and down the plains, trucks are rolling through the rain. T is for truck, hear that engine roar. T is for truck, hauling more and more and more. T is for truck, rolling night and day. T is for truck, making its own way. They carry goods from coast to coast with friendly truckers we love the most. Orange, blue, red, and green trucks are the coolest machines we've seen. T is for truck, steering left and right. T is for truck, shining in the night. T is for truck, let's sing it loud and clear. T is for truck, the favorite letter here.
Camión se dice truck y se escribe con la letra T.